Violent weekend in Chicago has left 11 people dead and 60 wounded in shootings across the city. Chicago Police Superintendent Gary McCarthy is addressing the issue as well as recently seized firearms at this hour.
Oh my God, what is this?
Look, ball like I'm Kobe the Mixtape, nigga. You gon' hear that a whole lot, nigga. I'm still killing shit, I might kill shit again, you know, look. I'm that same nigga from the gang where you tryna kill shit. I wanna buy my mama bigger home, put my niggas on and be still rich. You don't know nothing about that, cause you a fuck nigga, I'll do real shit. If you in the streets, gotta watch niggas shooting Glock switching, they'll still snitch. Everybody finna feel this, I can't trust a soul nigga suspect. When I had no money, I was young buddy, started counting commas, now you upset. What was niggas at when I was low budget, no buzz, out here doing nothing. Niggas let a bring up when they was around, back when you was down, now you stunning. Fuck niggas, I don't fuck with niggas, all my niggas know what's up. No limit, MB 150 Dream Team, we the game, free the game. RIP my niggas, it won't never be the same. I'ma jump in the game for the dollars, and lower money, don't need the fame. I'm riding and smoking and speeding and sipping on codeine to ease my pain. I'm honest, I tell everybody they know that I need the lane. Fly nigga, I stay in designer, laced up in Paris and Italy. Foreign belt holding my robbers, filled up with all of these Benjamins. Young nigga, I came from the bottom, they ask nobody for anything. I grinded my way to the top and no, I don't owe no nigga anything. And when I get out of the game, fuck nigga, you better remember me. Pour 60 to drink in the fountain, my cup, I'm more darker than Hennessy. Weapon is on me for all of my enemies. Go get you some money, little nigga, don't know why you envy me. I'm get to the K, don't got time for no silly beats. 100s and 50s take all of my energy.
Oh my God, what is this? LB?
Pour that drink out, man. Roll them things out, man. Pasto. Ball like I'm Kobe the Mixtape, nigga.
Hey, don't flame all that motherfucking weed up, man.
FDO shit, man. Fuck the ops, man.
Fuck
You
the
already
ops,
know what
man. You
happened. I
already
was
know I'm
sad,
fucking
drugs,
man.
all that shit where I was at, nigga.
Drug raids, conspiracies, murders, homicides, mamas crying. That's what's going down where I reside. Fuck the ops, they can't come outside. We let off shots every time they come outside. And if you looking for Herbo, I bet I'm outside. You niggas rap about respect, well I'ma die about mine. Herbo,
150 Dream Team, you already know how we rockin', man. Fuck the ops, man.
I've seen
LMB
a
shit,
lot
man.
of
Walk
niggas
back shit,
die,
man.
but I'm not traumatized. Cause Herbo on the A block with a whole lot of savages. Look cuz in the cut, posted tone 30s in the Mac and shit. Man, I ride through it, we don't know you cuz popping out and he clapping shit. Look cuz only 16, really with the shit, he ain't average. Run up on you with the Glocks and a couple shots, also accurate. Spin again around the block, empty out the Glock, ain't nobody miss. And Free Lil Molly, you know that's my little bro, he my other shooter. Mad Max, that's my big bro, you know the merchant, do ya? I'm a Robin Troy fiend, Gucci Louis fiend, Herbo do his thing on my jewelry. 100s in my pocket, broke boy, miss me with the foolery. If you ain't no limit, you can't cool with me. And now I'm that nigga, I been fucking bitches, say they went to school with me. Catch your feelings, ain't got nothing to do with me. Drug raids, conspiracies, murders, homicides, mamas crying. That's what's going down where I reside. Fuck the ops, they can't come outside. We let off shots every time they come outside. And if you looking for Herbo, I bet I'm outside. You niggas rap about respect, well I'ma die about mine. 7-9 rock block, that's where I reside. Seen a lot of niggas die, but I'm not traumatized. A lot of niggas acting funny now, cause I'm getting money now. Because all my niggas counting hundreds now, niggas wanna come around. I don't fuck with niggas, only with my 10 niggas, them no limit niggas. We 150, gotta keep them with me, cause for me they killing niggas. When I'm at my shows, bitches run up on me soon as I hit the scene. Pouring number 6 in lean, smoking dope, sipping dreams. Ferragamo belt, hold up 20 racks stuffed in my denim jeans. And when I ride off Glock 40 sitting on my lap with the beam. All these drugs that I'm off, I really need to quit. Off the shits right now, call Misky up, tell them bring a zip. I make money out of state, take it to the store and put it on the strip. And we ain't fucking with the J snatchers, I bet you we don't remember shit. Drug raids, conspiracies, murders, homicides, mamas crying. That's what's going down where I reside. Fuck the ops, they can't come outside. We let off shots every time they come outside. And if you look working for G Herbo, I bet I'm outside. You niggas rap about respect, well I'ma die about mine. 7-9 rock block, that's where I reside. I seen a lot of niggas die, but I'm not traumatized.
Young nigga, I want it all.
DJ Fool.
I remember wishing and hoping that one day I could have it all. One day I could have it all. Now I walk in the mall and I could buy it all. LeBron, Carmelo, Chris Paul, D-Rose, young nigga, I ball. And I won't settle for nothing, cause I done had nothing at all.
I'm flexing, I'm starting on y'all.
And that's what I wanted out. Nigga, I want it out. I need to wake up in a mansion with chandeliers and marble flows. Flying a jet, go spend 80K on my neck. Can't open up Ferrari doors, can't settle for less. Your nigga didn't earn my respect. Now what you gon' do to get yours? I got off my ass and got on my way to a check. Come get money, not gon' get yours. I be riding in fours, pouring up foes in 20s with 30 clips hanging out 40s. Me and my brodies, ducking high speeds from the police. Cruising and smoking no OG, I'm thinking of millions. Moving my mom out them buildings and under 80 for ceiling, nigga. I remember wishing and hoping that one day I could have it all. One day I could have it all. Now I walk in the mall and I could buy it all. LeBron, Carmelo, Chris Paul, D-Rose, young nigga, I ball. And I won't settle for nothing, cause I done had nothing at all.
I'm flexing, I'm starting on y'all.
Young nigga, I done had nothing, and that's what I wanted out.
Nigga, I want it
I used to look up to them niggas who was in the league that was getting that dough. Didn't make a difference to me if them niggas was wearing the jersey and whipping that snow. Young nigga from the hood do whatever to get to the pros. Give him the dope, zippity, flip it and go. And after my 8th grade year of school, never planned on getting a job. Young nigga watch Pay the Fool, had dreams on getting a sob. Rocket diamonds and gold, Mercy Lagos on 4 Giatos, huh? I remember wishing and hoping that one day I could have it all. One day I could have it all. Now I walk in the mall and I could buy it all. LeBron, Carmelo, Chris Paul, D-Rose, young nigga, I ball. And I won't settle for nothing, cause I done had nothing at all.
I'm flexing, I'm starting on y'all.
Young nigga, I done had nothing, and that's what I wanted out.
Nigga, I want it out.
Look, do this shit for my motherfucking mama, my sister, my grandmother, man. All my niggas gone in jail. Everybody depending on me, man. Shit, y'all don't even understand. Look.
All my life I had to fight, that's why I took the purple. Smoking OG, try and get to me some Oprah money. Young nigga don't put nothing but family over money. But ain't that funny how your family fuck you over money? Take the food right out your mouth like they went over Sunday. I spit that real shit, ain't no exaggerations or nothing. I've been through it, I get through it, no excuses, just get to it. I get smart, I go hard, I'm into it. I remember mama mad at me, she found out I was smoking weed. Now when my mama hear my voice outside, she know it's me. She never thought I'd get from over east to overseas, but I gotta stay in the States cause I'm still fighting cases. I swear them crackers try their best to bring you back to basics. Don't wanna see you shine, they hate to see you grind. Smile all in your face, but they can't wait to see you crying. No hater, you can't bring me down, but yeah, I see you trying. I'm in that Hemi flying, smoking, thinking about my niggas gone and doing time. I keep in touch with all my niggas, yeah, they doing fine. Free Gilly, free Macy, free James, free Bruce, free the game. Celebrating all my niggas, we got changed, but we ain't changed, still the same. Only thing we see different is the lanes. Niggas switch up just to get the man. These niggas quick to switch up, I ain't with that picking sides. All my brothers, still my brothers, good or bad, right or wrong. We get jammed up at my brother do his bid, right alone. That's that shit I wouldn't trade it for $1,000,000. How the fuck you eat with niggas you can't even trust? It's this bitch named Karma, and she mean as fuck. You do enough dirt and watch the score gon' even up. I'm in the booth, it's 5 a.m. You ain't even up. I might not lead a 9 or 10, I gotta clean it up. This shit too easy, don't believe me, you ain't seen enough. It's G Herbo, I'm the hottest, I'm just being honest. I swear I say that shit so much that I can't even stop it. If I tell you my next move, you can't even stop it. And this bad bitch I'm with, look the Legion Tropic. They can't keep up, I might start rapping about some easy topics. Nigga, gotta go hard, man. PPP, RP Pistol P, man. RP all my niggas, man. Ball like I'm Kobe the Mixtape, coming real soon. You already know, man. It's just working, man. Non-stop, man. Fuck all that fuck shit. Gotta get money, huh? Yeah. Let the beat sing. Hey, what you need? Hey. It's G Herbo, nigga, welcome to the Jug House. Kush Lane pills, rocks at the Jug House. Text pumps, max, clocks at the Jug House. But when I say the trap spot, bitch, that's the Jug House. And ain't no fuck niggas at the Jug House. Killers, robbers, drug dealers at the Jug House. Bitch, we running 7 figures out the Jug House. And if you want it, gotta get it out the Jug House. First off, ain't no rap business at the Jug House. Talk numbers, cop chickens at the Jug House. And now we don't fuck bitches at the Jug House. Cause they might snitch or bring some niggas to the Jug House. 30 clips, 50 clips at the Jug House. You better not try to hit no licks at the Jug House. Half turn the whole bricks at the Jug House. These bitches go for 36 at the Jug House. And you know the Jug House in the hood, bitch. Don't get your life took, try and steal some little shit. AKs in here, nigga, fuck that little shit. And give me a couple bands extra for that good shit, huh? It's G Herbo, nigga, welcome to the Jug House. Kush Lane pills, rocks at the Jug House. Text pumps, max, clocks at the Jug House. But when I say the trap spot, bitch, that's the Jug House. And ain't no fuck niggas at the Jug House. Killers, robbers, drug dealers at the Jug House. Bitch, we running 7 figures out the Jug House. And if you want it, gotta get it out the Jug House. Got so many felonies in the Jug House. It's a couple hundred P's in the Jug House. Got them Z's and them G's in the Jug House. My trap niggas understand that's that jug talk. Deck my Jug House out like it's a townhouse. And that bitch pouring drink like I'm from down south. Smoking OG, I fuck with that loud dope. Keep it low key, bitch, I got that brown dope. And my Jug House just might be around your way. Got my Jug House doing 20,000 a day. Fuck that school diploma shit, bitch, I done found a way. I serve my city cause I get my shit from out of state, nigga. It's G Herbo, nigga, welcome to the Jug House. Kush Lane pills, rocks at the Jug House. Text pumps, max, clocks at the Jug House. But when I say the trap spot, bitch, that's the Jug House. And ain't no fuck niggas at the Jug House. Killers, robbers, drug dealers at the Jug House. Bitch, we running 7 figures out the Jug House. And if you want it, gotta get it out the Jug House. Jug House. Don't try nothing funny. Don't try nothing funny. Cause I know that I look like money. Yo, bitch on my dick and she want it. But it's only cause I look like money. Only ambition is money. Cause I love it when I look like money. No, you better not play with my money. Fuck around and get killed about that money. You hate me cause I look like money. Cause you hate me and I look like money. These bitches, the Franklin's, the hunters. I look like so much money, I'm on it. I'm chasing, got my money running. Bitch, don't ask me what I look like, money. Bitch, don't ask me for money. Money. It's G Herbo on the man. Mr. Thumbing through them bands, number hundreds in my pants. Keep it coming, about that money, I ain't playing. I don't want nothing but that money, fuck a friend. I just came up on a couple hundred bands. Get your let me hold 100 if you can. I put hundreds in my blunts, not a hand. Couple hundred in my crush with my mans. Be like 20-something cash in my dinner pockets. 1800 on my pants and forget about it. And 200 on my dad, so don't get behind me. Smoke on the E-way, man, I can't see shit behind me. Can't remember shit with money, so lil' bitch remind me. Besides me, I don't spend my money on shit but family. Don't spend money on no niggas, all my niggas family. And all the niggas that I trust, yeah, they still grind me. Don't try nothing funny, don't try nothing funny. Cause I know that I look like money. Yo, bitch on my dick and she want it. But it's only cause I look like money. Like only ambition is money. Cause I love it when I look like money. No, you better not play with my money. Fuck around and get killed about that money. You hate me cause I look like money. Cause you hate me and I look like money. These the Franklins, the honest. I look like so much money, I'm on it. I'm chasing, got my money running. Bitch, don't ask me what I look like money. Bitch, don't ask me for money. Money.
KD got bands. You not talking about money, can't hear what you saying. Hit her strapped in that van. If you fuck with my money, we clapping like hands. Robbing stuff with the bands. With hundreds and fifties, you made your shit empty. Got it on me, don't tempt me. Lil' Herb got that ratchet, he blow till it's empty. Spend 10 bands on some red bottoms. Free my nigga Rusty, he a damn shotter. Go all low, slipping out the chopper. If I hit a op, he gon' need a damn doctor. Dropping my set, then you got a problem. Katie got bands, so I talk guala. Don't be calling my phone unless it's bell dollars. I'm with the team and we ballin' like we got a sponsor bands.
Don't try nothing funny, don't try nothing funny. Cause I know that I look like money. Yo, bitch on my dick and she want it. But it's only cause I look like money. Like only ambition is money. Cause I love it when I look like money. No, you better not play with my money. Fuck around and get killed about that money. You hate me cause I look like money. Cause you hate me and I look like money. These bitches, the Franklins, the honest. I look like so much money, I'm on it. I'm chasing, got my money running. Bitch, don't ask me what I look like money. It's a million downfalls in this shit, nigga. Just keep your head up. Listen, homie, if you gotta go this way about it, just be smart and know it's a different way about it. Put your game plan together and go play about it. And when that shit get real, just make your way about it.
Young and play your part, know your role, guard your heart. Stay away from them ratchet assholes and the knock. If you gotta keep the ratchet, only show it when you spark. And if you riding in the whip, keep that shit in Oak Park.
You wanna be a hustler, wanna be a menace, nigga? Better listen from the start to the finish, nigga. You see them clowns put their business on pictures, nigga? Watch how they gon' have a record like Guinness, nigga. But listen though, fuck that other shit, just get the dough. Stay to yourself and always treat the hoes like the hoes. Don't underestimate them, treat the pros like the pros. It's some heavies in this game that took their fate to lanes. Don't be out here chasing gains, just stay in your lane. And no such thing as day ones, cause niggas ain't the same. Don't ever fold when shit hit you, gotta take the pain. And pay attention to who with you when that paper fade. Listen, homie, if you gotta go this way about it, just be smart and know it's a different way about it. Put your game plan together and go play about it. And when that shit get real, just make your way about it.
Young and play your part, know your role, guard your heart. Stay away from them ratchet assholes and the knock. If you gotta keep the ratchet, only show it when you spark. And if you riding in the whip, keep that shit in Oak Park.
Listen, only roll your pine in the crib. If they get you and your niggas ain't no snitch up, do the bid. Hold it down, grow your mind, do the time, make it big. Play it safe, never wild, you got a fucking life to live. Get the Audi cause it's classy, get your lady friend the Benz. Only smoke it if it's gas, you way too grown for me. You gotta make something shake, young nigga, get it in. Only love her if you trust her, but be cautious even in. Stay on top of all your taxes, IRS, they don't be playing. Don't you ever make a move and let that money in your hand. Be good to all your peoples, boss up, be a man. And if you ever need advice, you can hit my line again.
Listen, homie, if you gotta go this way about it, just be smart and know it's a different way about it. Put your game plan together and go play about it. And when that shit get real, just make your way about it.
Young and play your part, know your role, guard your heart. Stay away from them ratchet assholes and the knock. If you gotta keep the ratchet, only show it when you spark. And if you riding in the whip, keep that shit in Oak Park.
right here, look.
I grew up just to fucking screw up. I'm talking way before the money when a nigga blew up. I'm talking nothing in my stomach, water what I threw up. I came from under in that gutter where it rain manure. Well, don't nobody want a future, all the shorty shooters. But you can't judge that young man just by what he doing. You don't understand the circumstances, how he grew up. He ain't never had a father, watched his mama toot up. I came up with them hot boys, everybody knew us. 15, 16, niggas try and do us. Can't trust a soul, cause for that cash, your niggas turn to Judas. I'm telling you the truth, my nigga, cause I really do this. Now Herbo always on the road, I guess I'm a tourist. Scream my name at all my shows, I guess I'm the truest. Let me stop acting like I don't know, yes, I'm the truest. To put this rap game in a chokehold, yes, I'm the newest. But still that youngin' from the bottom started off with nothing. And now I'm all about my dollars all across the country. I'm working hard because I'm starving and you niggas lunch me. I get respect in every city, damn nigga touch me. It's gon' get ugly, I was hateful, now I'm living lovely. It's marvelous, everybody screaming gang but they don't know who started it. That's a shame how my city the same, so fucking followers. Keep the fame and don't mention my name unless your dollar's up, nigga.
Huh? Ball like I'm Kobe the Mixtape, man. Free all my niggas, man. RP my niggas, man. We ain't none of that internet shit, man. All this rap beef shit, man. This real shit I'm speaking, nigga.
Free my homies, a couple doing almost life in that shit up. Life ain't shit and they bitch getting piped by they niggas. I know niggas that got they life snatched right by they niggas. You think he got his life back? Cause no fight from his niggas. Fuck niggas, don't do right by they niggas at all. I get jammed up, believe I know what niggas to call. I know my niggas that's gon' ride, I know which niggas gon' fall. But sad to say, I know I just can't fuck with niggas at all. Jumped off the porch and then I hit the block. The rest was history. They murder rockin' every since the streets had just been into me. If a Kobe squad is fuck the ops, kill all my enemies. To ease the pain, I pour up Ace of Lean, I price a Hennessy. Huh?
Ball like I'm Kobe the Mixtape, man. Free all my niggas, man. RP all my niggas, man. It's real shit right here, man. It's real shit. 150 Dream Team in the campaign, man. And LMB.
All he had to do was say my dad's name, but he didn't. He kept his fucking mouth shut. And he did his fucking time, and he did it like a man. He did 4 years for us. So, Mr. Orange, you're telling me that this very good
Herbo, I got you.
He did 4 years for my father.
DJ Food.
Catch a nigga with a chopper. All my partner but the guala. Look at me, shatter. You a pussy boy, call the boy Mufasa. Dip in your head in spaghetti lobster. Jarudi nigga no holla. They know that I lead and the nigga follow. Kill a nigga, it won't feel no sorrow. Catch a nigga, won't see you tomorrow. Stand over up, fill him up with hollows. Money over bitches, that's the motto. Jackpot like I just won a lotto. Glock 40 and it's semi-auto. Smoking, sipping out the Remy bottle. Heaven to hell, heaven to hell, heaven to hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. Heaven to hell, heaven to hell, heaven to hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. I done lost money, my mind, my time, and now they lost gas to the street shit. I go hard and I grind for man, and people who said I wouldn't be shit. I can't fuck with niggas, I don't trust a soul, gotta stay on my defense. Got my clock everywhere that I go, give me a reason I'm squeezing. Herbo and Zeus, real niggas and killers from Chirac to Kingston. Bring my niggas Zeus to Chirac to post up with them killers on Kingston. Heaven to hell, heaven to hell, heaven to hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. Heaven to hell, heaven to hell, heaven to hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. I made it out the fucking hood. The nigga know that ain't a secret. You know I gotta keep them bitches on me, but I gotta keep them on the leashes. Shitting on them, call me feces. Caught me up in the bleachers. Herbo with me, got the pieces. Mac 11 on me, know I'ma breeze it. Send a bitch to kill you, who you gon' sleep with? Hollow to your face, I know you gon' eat it. Catch a nigga, ain't gon' do it discreetly. I'ma catch him, man, I know he won't peep it. Heaven to hell, heaven to hell, heaven to hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. Heaven to hell, Heaven or hell, heaven or hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. Is you a killer or not? We be riding through blocks and we drilling a lot. I love seeing him drop, watch his body in shock while he feeling the shots.
Me no lover, make it disappear. Tell them abracadabra, shoot you with chopper. Poi, bully bite like a whopper, catch him on the blocker. Poi,
heaven or hell, heaven or hell, heaven or hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail. Heaven or hell, heaven or hell, heaven or hell. Dead or in jail, dead or in jail, dead or in jail.
There was a count of casualties that could have been from Afghanistan or Iraq, but it was here in Chicago, a place some have dubbed Chirac.
Y'all ain't heard that in a minute. Huh? I said I wasn't gonna do no more 4 minutes of hells, man. This gotta be it, though. It's the last one. I'm from the jungle, last apes and gorillas, last the police. Nigga, we the apes and gorillas, go ape and gorilla. Boy, don't turn your face on a killer. Fuck the system and we going back to racism, nigga. Look, the department suffer fakeism, nigga. Black police try not to notice like they ain't killing niggas and hate killing niggas. Seen a million bodies, I done shed 1,000 tears. Niggas just turned thousandaires, been selling rocks 1,000 years. 2-time felon, nigga, one more like 1,000 years. And the average pussy nigga out here ain't gon' ride with heads. He gon' switch up, he gon' fold. He ain't holding shit back, he only got a year back. And now he can't forget that. You this soldier fucking soul for 400 days. Niggas got they kids starving for some fucking J's. Life too short, better not get caught up in your fucking ways. I be feeling like Phil Jackson, all these fucking plays. I'm just riding through my city, getting blazed in the rain. I've been stressing, feel like I'm a couple days from insane. Don't know what's got into me, I just been saving the pain. The devil trying enemy, I just might let him into me. But I know when he finna leave, that that's gon' be the end of me. And I won't let that finish me, cause I got too much energy. I'll be right back in effect like I just got an injury. Pouring up that purple happiness, it give me energy. Sip that happiness, forget your problems, that's the remedy. Sipping Activist straight out the bottle, shit so good to me. I be leaning, I be smoking, popping beans and I be rolling. Hopping steamers and we rolling, hopping beamers and we rolling. Pull up on your block with glizzies and them beans and we be blowing. We ain't shooting for no reason, clear the scene when we be blowing. Then we high in the sky, telling phone them about the story. Got a lot of niggas gone that I didn't know since we was shorties. That alone just made me stronger, got my chrome, no I ain't worried, boy. Posted on that curb, boy, early off the serve, boy. Chill if you don't know me, give a fuck about what you heard, boy. Niggas see me when I fly past like that go hurt, boy. Rappers wanna know the way that I play with them words, boy. 33 up in that clip like I play with that bird, boy. And niggas know that little baby, my bro got that shit for the low on the birds, boy. Real niggas shit, we 10 young niggas bitch, so imagine the numbers for her, boy. Then we go ham every month on the first. Junkie walk up and just empty a purse. Some work gon' feel as my money come first. And no, I'm not a hypocrite, so therefore I don't go to a church. God's still with me, even though I'm out here doing my dirt. It's a lot of times when I know I could've been doing a hearse. So I'm dropping foes in my soda every time I'm through with a verse. Please do not try to act crazy, my nigga, cause Ruger's a burst. They ready, they on it, they aiming at niggas, my shooter so thirst. She heard about my name, so a pussy I can't be. I hang with the menaces, free J's and free Mansky. If it was through slavery, I know the masters would hang me. Cause I only respect my mama and granny and aunties. I'm just a young nigga finna go finna blow. And I'm still in the streets, so you know I will take blow for a show. Just let me know, as long as don't nobody search at the door. Cause you know how we roll. If anyone try to act like they won't smoke, then the club will be closed. No limits, don't play around, all they know blow. Like they play with their nose.